Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. I know guys, I've been gone for a while. Yeah, I know, like I've not been uploading for weeks, like 2 weeks or so. I'm so sorry guys. You know guys, I'm a full-time working mom, okay? I work full-time and coming home with kids, 3 kids, and like being a mom, being a wife, taking care of a home is not easy, you know, like the struggle is so real. But this is what I love to do also. Like I love to do this for you guys, so bear with me if you don't get to see videos like all the time. Please bear with me, don't go away, okay? Make sure you stick with me. We are in this together. Don't go away, okay? Please make sure you stay with me. Stay with me. If you are new to this channel, you are so welcome. Thank you for taking your time out to watch my videos. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much. Thank you. But please bear with me if I'm not able to upload all the time. You know why. I'm a working mom with kids and I'm trying to do this, okay? So please make sure you bear with me, okay? So let's get into today's video. But please make sure you subscribe. If you are new to this channel, subscribe, okay? Thank you. So let's get into today's video. I stumbled on another video again, still on the tomato max, okay? I stumbled on this and this, okay? With this, you are supposed to get a glass skin. A glowy, radiant, smooth, soft skin in 5 days, okay? So when I saw it, I was like, wow, this is so beautiful. I mean, her skin looks so beautiful, so soft, so smooth. I was like, oh my god, I'll give this a try, okay? And I will film it for you guys and try this for 5 days. So the next time you see me, okay, you should see a glowy skin, a glass skin, a smooth skin, like shiny skin. Oh my god, you should see a beautiful skin in 5 days. That's what she said, in 5 days. So I'm about to try this for you guys, and I'll do this for 5 days and come back to show you the result if it worked, okay? So like you need only 3 ingredients. Yeah, you need honey, you need milk, raw milk, okay? This is raw milk. You need raw milk, and then your tomato, okay? This tomato here. So I'm about to start. I'm so excited about this because I need a glowy glass skin. Like I want you to see me with a glass skin. So oh my god, so let's start. Don't mind me. So first of all, you need this raw milk, okay? I'm just going to, like a cotton pad, I'm just going to dip it in the milk and use it as a cleanser. To clean my face. Like just use it on your face. Like women, we spend so much on products, that is crazy. So using natural products to get a good skin, it's amazing, really amazing. So I'm trying everything natural to get a good skin. And this is also supposed to help with pores, okay? I'm just going down on my neck as well. We're rubbing it on my neck also. So I'm done. This is it, guys. Okay, the milk is on my face, and I'm going to take my honey and my tomato and just tap it. The honey, you need the juice of the tomato, like you just squeeze the juice out and then use it to like rub. So guys, after doing this, you're supposed to like let it dry, and then after that you wash with warm water. That is what I will be doing. Okay, so now guys, I've applied everything on my face, like the honey, milk, and the tomato. And at this point, like, you're supposed to let it dry, like I said, and then you just wash it with warm water. So I'm just going to allow it to dry and then wash it, okay? And I'm supposed to get a glowy skin, a glass skin. Hey, beautiful skin. So I'm just going to let it dry, and I'll see you guys later. Glowy skin, glowy skin, glowy skin, glowy skin, glowy, 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 glowy. What am I doing? I don't even know, guys. So let it dry, and I'll come back again. So guys, I'm back, and my face is dry. So I'm just going to wash, and then I'll come back again. Okay. So guys, I'm back. My face is washed. Yeah. So this is my face, guys. I'm just going to apply some shea butter. Do you guys see any glow? Do you guys see any glow on my skin? If you see any glow, please let me know. I'm just going to apply some shea butter on my face. So guys, this is the end of the video, okay? And I will do this for 5 days, okay? Because you are supposed to do this for 5 days to get a glowy skin, a glass skin. So that is what I'm going to do for 5 days. So in 5 days, I'll come back and give you the update, okay? The results. And yeah, it's almost like the same thing, the one I did, the tomato mask, okay? It's almost like the same thing, just that this one you are supposed to add milk, whilst the other one there was no milk, but with this there is milk. And yeah, it's almost like the same, but the thing is, adding the milk gives you that glass and glowy radiant skin, okay? And this is what I'm going to do for 5 days, and then I'll come back and I'll like show you guys the results, okay? So thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't watched my last video, okay, the tomato mask gone wrong, I will leave the link in the description box. Click on it and go watch it. You'll like it. And subscribe, thumbs up this video. When you subscribe, okay, make sure you click on the bell, okay, so that when I upload, you get a notification. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Hope you enjoyed this video with my Glory Radiant Soft Smooth Skin on the way. Yeah, hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and stay blessed. Okay, love you for watching. Bye bye. Smooth skin, radiant skin. Do you guys see some glow? Do you guys see any glow? Glow.